Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use world time zones. The Earth is divided into 24 primary time zones, each generally representing 1 hour of difference. Coordinated Universal Time, or UTC, is the global standard by which we regulate our clocks. The prime meridian, located in Greenwich, England, serves as the 0 point for this universal time system. Understanding these fundamentals is key to navigating global schedules effectively. Calculating time differences is straightforward once you grasp the concept of UTC offsets. Each time zone is designated as a certain number of hours ahead of or behind UTC. For instance, if you travel eastward, you generally add 1 hour for each time zone you cross. Conversely, moving westward means you'll subtract 1 hour per zone. Remember, some regions also observe daylight saving time, which can temporarily shift local times by 1 hour. In today's interconnected world, utilizing online time zone tools is incredibly convenient. Many websites and smartphone applications offer interactive world clocks that simplify comparing times across different regions. You just need to enter your current location and the city you're interested in, and the tool will instantly display the precise time difference. These smart tools even account for daylight saving time changes automatically, providing you with reliable information every time. When communicating globally, a few best practices can prevent confusion. Always double-check the local time of your contacts before scheduling calls or virtual meetings to avoid inconvenient hours. For group events with attendees in various time zones, a dedicated time zone converter is invaluable for finding an optimal slot. Also, remember the international date line. Crossing it means you either gain or lose an entire calendar day, which is crucial for travel planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.